With businesses closed or operating at limited capacity because of coronavirus, some communities are generating the revenue they normally would during the pandemic. 9 on your side's Rogelio Mares was in South Tucson today to find out how long officials there say they can keep providing city services.
South Tucson isn't a large community. It only covers a little more than a square mile. And along 4th Avenue, you'll find most of its businesses, like the St. Charles Tavern behind me here, feeling the pinch of social distancing. So we reached out to city leaders to find out how businesses being closed could potentially affect residents and the services they rely on in the city.
Our businesses are definitely going to be impacted. There's no doubt about that.
Where businesses rely on customers for income, communities rely on those businesses and their sales tax to fill in part of their budgets. In South Tucson, where the safety director says no COVID-19 cases have been reported, they're still experiencing economic effects of the virus.
The restaurants are very much the city's lifeline. It's going to be difficult. I mean, it really will be difficult.
Police Chief and Safety Director Manuel Amado says some restaurants are still serving takeout, but the impact of complying with the state and county health guidelines will be felt by its handful of businesses, and that could affect the city's budget.
We're still operating services. I think we have a pretty good reserve right now that'll help us to operate at least till the end of the year.
One major boost to the restaurants in the city would have been Cyclovia, since canceled in response to the COVID-19 outbreak.
Cyclovia was actually going to come through the city of South Tucson. It was going to go up 4th Avenue, so our restaurants were really looking forward to that.
That's not to say, Amato says, the city's essential services aren't still operational, but the size of its staff, especially on the police force, poses a problem if the unthinkable were to happen.
We had to quarantine even a couple of officers. That would really impact us heavily because of our low staffing levels.
But Chief Amado says residents don't need to be worried about safe streets. Amado says police departments in the county have talked about filling in wherever there's a need for officers. In South Tucson, Rogelio Mares, KGUN 9 on your side.